Hello, I'm Paul Bagan. I created this video for recruiters and managers to help them see, well, if I would be a good candidate for their open position. If you're looking for an individual who has experience in sales, who is strong in their public speaking skills, can communicate effectively and persuasively, who understands the difference between what being a manager is and what a leader is, then I would be a strong candidate for consideration. If you're seeking that individual who can bring a group together and collaborate ideas and move forward with ideas, I would be a great candidate to consider. You're wanting someone who can take their experiences, their skills, and transfer those to others. I've been successful in doing that. If you want to have an individual on your team that will bring new ideas, new energy, who's willing to listen and to keep an open mind, who values their relationships with others, their coworkers, their colleagues, their upper management, their staff, their customer. I could be that ideal candidate. I thank you for your consideration. And if I've answered the question for you, is Paul the kind of candidate I'm looking for? And you say to yourself, yes, then I know we'll have a chance to talk with one another. Thank you again for your consideration.